Hello, my name is Artez, and welcome to Ensure Your Success YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting journey of starting your own insurance agency. Are you ready to build a strong and sustainable business? Well, you come to the right place. Let's get started. But before I get started, I got an announcement to make. Make sure that you watch this video to the very end. I'm going to give you some information on how you could download my free guide to help you on your journey in starting your insurance agency. First, let's talk about the three types of insurance agencies and their pros and cons. The pros of starting an independent insurance agency are multiple products, tailored solutions, and customization to your client needs. But it comes with the complexity of learning all those products, limited support from your FMO or your IMO that you're working with in most cases, and fluctuation in your income. The next type of agency that we want to take a look at is a captive insurance agency. Now, a captive insurance agency represents one company exclusively and may sell for that company one or multiple products. The pros of starting a captive agency is a comprehensive process, strong support, and comprehensive training. However, a captive agency offers limited products, a potential for bias, and less competitive rates. The last type of insurance agency is a specialist insurance agency. Now, this insurance agency offers a niche product or products to a specific targeted market. The pros to this type of insurance agency are in depth knowledge, a strong reputation, and a highly customizable solution. The cons are limited growth opportunity, market dependency, and less diversification. After deciding what type of insurance agency that you want to start, next we need to look at defining your vision and mission statement, which is crucial. Your vision statement is where you would like to see your insurance agency in the next 3 to 5 years. Your mission statement is the action that is going to take to require your vision to come into existence. Throughout your journey starting your own insurance agency, you're going to experience some bumps in the road. Your vision and your mission statement will help guide you and keep you on track to help you get over those bumps along the way. So take some time and craft out a good vision and a mission statement. So now let's talk about some other steps that you need to take to get your insurance agency open. The first step is you need to come up with a name for your insurance agency. After you come up with a name for your insurance agency, then you want to get your agency incorporated. Whatever state that you plan on opening up your agency, you could go to the Secretary of State's website to find out more information on how to get incorporated. Also, it may be wise to consult with an accountant to find out what's the best corporation structure for you. LLC, S Corp, C Corp. They may want to consult with an accountant to find out what's the best structure for you. After you incorporate your insurance agency, then you want to get a tax ID number for your agency. A tax ID number is like a social security number, but it's for your business. You can visit irs.gov website for more information to file for a tax ID number for your insurance agency. Now that you have incorporated your business and you have a tax ID, you could go to the Department of Insurance, wherever you have your residency individual license in, and apply for an agency license. Also, you may want to check with the state that you're living in to see if you have to apply for a business license. An agency license and a business license is two separate things. The agency license is issued through the Department of Insurance. A business license is issued through the state or the county that you reside in. So you got your agency name, you got your business incorporated, you got a tax ID number, you have your agency license. Now it's time to open up a business bank account in the agency name. The purpose of this is the carriers that you represent or sell for, you want them to deposit the commissions into that business bank account in your agency name. And the last thing that you want to do is you want to get E&O insurance in the agency. Some carriers may require you to have E&O insurance in your agency name if you want the commissions paid to your agency. Now, since we got all that legal stuff out the way, now it's time to set up your agency's hierarchy. For your agency hierarchy, you're going to define your structure and the responsibilities and roles of people that you plan on hiring for your agency. This is a crucial step because hiring the wrong people can cause you a financial strain, which might lead to your agency closing, and we don't want to see that happen. So make sure that you take some time to define the roles and the responsibility of the people that you want to work inside of your agency. Now that we got all that in place, it's time to talk about the money. We got to have the money conversation. That means we have to come up with a budget. The four key factors that you want to pay attention to when starting up your agency is number one, payroll, number two, marketing, number three, operational expenses, and number four, how much you're going to pay yourself. It might be wise to consult with a bookkeeper to help you do this. Someone that's going to monitor your expenses and your income and help you formulate a budget. The first two people I would tell any business owner to hire is an accountant and a bookkeeper. The first two people that I recommend that you hire is an accountant and a bookkeeper. Those two individuals are going to help you stay out of tax trouble, which could lead you to jail, and also to make sure that your business is financially stable. Careful planning and a clear vision is the keys to long-term success. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are on your way to starting your own successful insurance agency. To help you on your journey, I have included a link in the description of this video where you can download my free guide and video that will walk you through the steps to help you open up your own insurance agency. If you find this video helpful, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified when other videos like this come out to help you build and grow your insurance agency. Until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.